Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is enw, which means name. Enw, as in, be 'di enw chi? What is your name? Enw, name.